My Jimmy Dimi come and into Saturday pain. Me to Kwanya me foka media ne plane. Only sick at ya prepare more rice so you plain. No pain, no gain. Come on, get it straight and foul.
Ella no, they make an you
no. This is very simple.
Like
just let her go. Let Sugar go.
Go to where?
Leave her. Divorce her.
Oh. I'm waiting for him. I say me like Sugar some.
Of course.
No, we're talking about the DISC. So the baby you never cut into so the Sugar some.
I'm not the one who killed the girl. You did. And I mean,
I killed her because of you. She wanted to attack you.
Please. But I didn't do anything to her.
Oh, son of a.
Oh yes. Man, so the man tree. Eyawo. Nti say na so worry me. Me na so worry me. Now name me Bobra. Sa secret obi auntie. So let her go.
How is the world going to see this?
World.
How?
Then if you say you need obi, you obi wan say na ye bibi.
I only came to tell you that I see no. You try. We say and symbol my head and say because to the man patcho. Na independent in safe yes.
It's not going to happen.
I can't go to jail.
Yes, so marry me. Worry me.
My father may blackmail me.
I have evidence. I have evidence. And you say my phone will go. My sister said my mom for.
What's her name?
Oh please. My someone told me some share. Oh, you think I'm daft and stupid? Say like I'll just keep it on in this phone, sweetheart.
And how with my son?
Of course. So you have to marry me. Just wed me. Put it here. Divorce her. Very simple. I'm not for worry, Jaida. Let me in. Then your secret is saved. You know I miss you. I miss you so much.
Stop it.
But this is simple. Very, very simple though. Let's go inside and do one. I'm gonna come on back way.
Stop it.
Stop what? Would the mammy come massage you? I say, I massage you. Or forehead, and once a be okay.
My Jimmy Dimi come and into Saturday pain. Me to Kwanya me foka media ne plane. Only
Tusi.
Something is not right.
Ade.
Papa. Unim say say ka say Timothy Kofi anka manim kogu ase.
Ade.
Unse come ka so oba no fa bi nsisu na obi nikoya. Ni penny ho.
The penny was it?
Bi ani bi asunsu. Amani fi ho.
Ka wa hihan we ni bebrebe dia nsi.
Papa. Amani fi ho no say wa yira so wa. Me friend phone so so.
Hihan we ni sa.
Yen kan wo say agro die de. Oba me ne ti bibi sense ye. Minim say ma me yare mpo na abampo a. Nko be friend mpo aka so obi a mirror. Sense me friend na onfa. Enkompo.
Night one at least. What kwa ma me ho ana say wa hwe na damfo bi ho. Ewe pressure
madam for no ntia me de me catch on say me come am no me ho so a asembe ebisa me so asembe na me koka
ndi ya me hada oba ne wa ha na asemesi na me nka say to brafom relax me na tie o pre relax ukofie no ni ho no wa fafo no afre ma mba che o ama yes o ba ho mba che wa ba na trick na de awe no da bi o maaye wo na damfo bi na afre ama ka so no one na go ya wudi mirika no kiki we den say wonya abotre na hwe ni relatives no e bia na o baabi we ntoka wa fa ndema nya bia na
wasa ne nema nyina akọ eno na ma asem na ye hwama me no eye mpo na nema si na
ara onna ko ana
koma me na ko
David ameka se ntro asem na esi oni fi fa phone frɛ no maame ana na damfo bi the relative be ne bisa as simple as that now dimrika kuku awu bai eno no eden
onti ase ipa mene ten onye saade ni nche
e na waye e na wo abusiafo enti so firi nchen a okay firi na firi nchen no akotopum ana nsu afa no
maintain kan
den so yira afa no e ne buso ni bi wona bi akọ ana so okona danfo bi o simple
eno anti mo mama ne
enti bisa ho se dan na asi enti awoye sa
because menene nkoye abla ope sika krampa manye bia man krampo no still no ba fie beda nti die na asia bibia ye okay awie medi madamfo aba kirew ye duane man me ye kwa ba bedia me baya wo di fie
se wo se wo jema di pa
na madie
so so won de wo yi nyankopon kura fi won no
yesi ayi bi da wo ho no ma
ya na abetan aye wo be kasa asa na me trust ma de amenya ne de me so no kura hwe me nya no na
Papa J, ama suba ebi ni wiase.
Yeah, that's it. Papa Jimmy, who Jimmy?
Papa J,
you Jimmy?
Masa Jaja.
Chiefs me say who Jimmy?
Ama.
Wine.
Ama.
Yeah, that's it.
Ama.
Njija Mario na ndo ende.
Masa kasabe.
Mario no.
Papa J. Ni penya brene ni praja kasa patema.
Me say Mario no.
Ni tampa.
Tipsy, mama ka sam chiro.
Papa J, sa gudie no madafo kanya sa sam chira me. O ebia be ma sole ni enko. Yenko hwe di pana gina ma.
Tipsy tie. O ye be ma. Oba enjoy benita. Fonsa wi. Ene won na yiro ho ye adwuma nya sika. Oba bia opebia obetumi afa. He obetumi akofo oba ma ne 10,000. No wa hwini wi no apam ne ko wo sika. Mama ka sam chiro. Enji wo ben ni.
Maji, na obetu sika fo a. You say mo sika.
And I make some say and for ni na nto oba so. Mo wani ko wadwuma. Ama mama ka sam chiro. Ama ba me ho.
Wo si ama ye dey.
Eh.
Ana wo ge no
Susu pre. Na me ka sam chiro.
Ndi ko tem say wo si ama da.
Ye dey chire. Oba me ho be ka chire ni be sun ye ha me na ne mama yare na. Me boy on ne te. Mama ka sam ni na.
No, wo be so tem so woni ma ma dance na me introduce you.
Ye dey chire. Ama oyemi way back friend. Me ni na started childhood.
Papa na me di hu ya.
Elenti want me kan. Me free Canada buy no be shia no. Na me nim ne da. From since then no. I call Canada me buy and be shia no. O se be ma no na tina be ma no kra na ma me yare na be ma ni niska, be ma ni niska ma no. Mario no. Ana me ma niska. Me no. Papa. Yeah, that's it. Papa. Yeah, ne Jimmy.
Papa. No, tell me you're joking.
And then I say,
no, Papa, tell me you're joking.
And then I say, Stratozi.
Papa.
Oh,
no, Papa, tell me you're joking. What am Jesus Christ.
Bra, and the man, Marino. On your best, or do anything so. What the one a man say, number, and Mardi, and the Dominion, where a buffalo, and where a buffalo, Massa. Me ba on the ferry obe woman no ferry na amani dan fifi.
What's wrong?
I'm okay.
Virus. What's wrong with you?
I said
as if you've not even seen me. Is everything alright?
Me tia me yakakranti. I'm saying me rest kakra.
In fact, these things that you are doing, I don't like it. For how long? Virus. For how long now we continue to do these things? Like, I don't know. Really?
Yeah, sure.
Only wife will eat. Only wife say. What my mood is? You busa also showing you. Okay, me say wo ho me wo say wo ye mudi na me dem ko ye bia ye wrong one.
No, now when was the last time I'm complaining your life? Eh? Some complaining we so what's up?
I'm complaining tell say wo ye mom complaining right?
Sugar. I'm back as this time.
Oh really? Me how? Me how? In fact, if you are fed up with me, tell me. Well, now you don't need this married thing anymore. Catch me. Yenjaye, another. What's the meaning of this? In fact, since I'm not welcome in this house anymore, I think it's better I bounce. When you need me, you are okay and you feel like coming to your wife, I'm in my house, you can come.
My Jimmy Dimi come into Saturday pain. Me to kwanya me foka media ne plane. Unisika ja prepare mo rice so ye plane.
Hey, yes, but Godson. Chama, you be able to oh, you're the name of Baba Nyambo next week. But business here, come up, customers, it didn't iPhone 12 for now.
Papa J, what was the meaning of that?
Chama,
Papa J, what was the meaning of that?
Chama, I'm process here.
Papa J.
Ama, now what if you plan a home friend?
Me friend say Papa J, see I don't know yes sir. And then I only tips mo pesa mo ye. No, there be Papa J tobo. And you pesa mo mi no na mo trap me na mo ye me den.
I don't
What was the meaning of that? Over here there will feel Papa J, which is all him tipsy. And I mo mi no ma come and you me say pesa mo trap me na say den. Papa J me say den.
Oh. Listen to me. The kwa me fast me who tipsy. Me work Canada, me guy be. Onu kwa na ba na me say chairman. And I introduce you to me say the guy is good when it's come to iPhone business in here. Do you get it? And I'm in the contact. Me buy no me see another. The last time
Papa J okay.
Oh,
you are lying.
Mama come
Papa J is so opua.
Me pass on quick. What is that?
Papa J don't know yes. Make up. Why are you doing that? Why did you do that, Papa J? I don't know.
Make us something to our final year. Tips me come on, I'm walking out of me. And besides, on one can't tell me, sir, the girlfriend you. And I also be sharing our castle dating. One can't tell me so dating tipsy. And some of us had been in two, so no, tips my can't tell me, sir, or day two. And besides, I can't tell me so, or day time will be a friend I'm a sweet grana. I would only want a one. Why are you talking as if you say, Minimuna, sir, men no team me up na easy. What is that? What is that? Oh, please.
Papa J, it's what I said by my can't say me what boyfriend.
Okay, I saw a boy. Did you tell me someone needs to see? Any dating?
No, Papa J, me say him. No man can't say me what boyfriend.
Oh, boyfriend. Oh, sir. Me just say me say tipsy date too. Why me can't tell me now so I'm me dey answer me. And at the end of the day, say we see ya, my mom, proof. You see, me ya down. Say me pay. Say me no fine. Opesa o nega no. Say movie mo be jai kra na, say mfast mo dwe kwanso no mo njai. Guy no oda so judi. Listen to me. Because me wa ba me nchen ama me maka bibia a kire no. But me can't kra no anje.
One can bet me akobim. One can bet me akobim, Papa J. One can bet me akobim.
He's matured but on your matured, sir. On said I'm smart. Me catch no anje kura empo endi o. Say me messing me no bibia no kra no anje endi. So the only advice I can give you is just go back to the house. Now on and kokasa because
one can bet me I should go back to where Papa J.
Drive you, sorry, sir. I'm picky one. Maybe I'll consider.
Just that I'm not happy.
You're not happy?
Yeah.
With what?
Everything.
Everything like?
Virus, in fact, the way things are going in this house, I don't think it's the best of it. And some see my patcho. I'm doing everything I can to let you know, say, I'm a changed person. But I see, say, I say it keeps going up. I'm not happy. Virus, I'm saying once again, I'm saying sorry. Putting ego, pride, and everything aside, I'm saying sorry.
No, don't kneel. Don't do that.
Honey, like, I have realized they want now by me China Joe. Also, me mama me mommy who gave me all that. I know say hurtful. Now, for that time, with pride and all that, I mean how bad I was hurting you. But then now, I think the table has turned and I'm facing it now. It feels so bad. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please, can we put everything aside? You forgive me, we clear everything and then we live like before, come back to normal. Like, are you ready for that, please? I'm begging you. Your avoidance
no, but I wouldn't say,
are killing me.
I get you. But I wouldn't say just few days ago. And now, this crime I hope I see Subi, a bar, and I'm not